morning, welcome to day 34. We're currently in Amsterdam. It is the most hottest day we've had so far, currently 30 degrees, and we're both in shorts. So going to embrace the hot weather, and we're doing our own little walking tour of Amsterdam today. Our first stop's going to be the National Monument. Currently 11:30 a.m. because Sleeping Beauty couldn't handle his first night in Amsterdam. He slept well. Yeah, it was a good bed and great air conditioning. So yeah, come and explore Amsterdam with us today. So you can see that the buildings are crooked, especially the little brown one just behind the statue. So this is the National Monument of Amsterdam. Our first stop on our walking tour, and we've just discovered that we've left the piece of paper in the hotel room. And that is the Royal Palace. This is one of the main streets of Amsterdam. Okay, and this building is the Beurs van Village. It's the centre of Amsterdam, and it is designed by architect Hendrik Verlaage and constructed in 1896. It is used for concerts, exhibitions and conferences. Amsterdam Wall Street. So we're back in the red light district, and we are heading towards Zedek Street, which has the oldest pubs in Amsterdam. This is Zedek Street. This has the oldest pubs in Amsterdam. Unsure what the date was on the phone. This is the Chinatown district. So apparently in the 70s, this is why some rules about drugs or something in the 70s, and that's why the cafes started to appear selling marijuana back in the day, and all started in this street. So this is Newmarket. I'm supposed to be able to sample traditional Dutch cuisine. Not much happening in here though.
Yeah, this is the last night.
Yeah. So maybe it's a nighttime thing. So you can see this building in front, 1724. There's a hook right on top of the building, and that was a merchant's building. Most of the buildings have that hook, so they used to hoist up all the spices and everything, and then we just watched the modern day version of the platform that goes up to empty and unload heavy items like furniture, and they just take the windows out. More crooked buildings along the canal. So the Jolly Joker is a famous cafe that we will be going in to have a look. So we've ordered a chocolate muffin and a Coke, and it was €13. Tastes alright. Made our mark in the Jolly Joker, along with everybody else. Okay, so this is the most narrowest building in the whole of Europe, number 7.
That was just the Erotica Museum.
And on the map it's the Museum of Prostitution, or Erotic Museum. Drawings. Four stories of the steepest stairs for this museum. This is a little bit disturbing. Snow White, and they're all, yeah, but look at the cartoons on the wall. And today on the TV and Cartoon Network is Greg learning all about sex from Mr. McGrew.
Do your thing, Merlin.
I know, is this Merlin? Stop at Mandarin Cuisine because there was ducks in the window. Portion control is out of control. No wonder you come to Amsterdam and you get munchies and you have to eat. Gregory? So we just finished lunch at the new King Mandarin Cuisine because Greg saw ducks and chickens hanging in the window, and that's what he wanted, but it was so yummy. to get out of the heat for a little bit and to refresh and rehydrate. Sitting on the canal. Eating our microwaved Dutch pancakes, which do not taste nice at all. You rate them?
Yeah.
The Death Row Records are branching out. So this is a school to my right. So we're just on our way back to the motel after being out for out for 7 hours walking the streets of Amsterdam. Definitely over 15 and 20 thousand steps. I haven't checked yet, but massive day, really hot day to do it in as well. So we found a lot of refreshments in pubs. I think we had a good day. So we've just gone to the little grocery shop and we've just got some nibblies for dinners tonight, some more drinks, and then back to the room to start packing for an early start tomorrow.